Let's make delicious peri chicken with rice. First we will make the marination. Take some onion, the medium, bell pepper, green chilies, red chilies, cilantro, lemon, ginger garlic paste, and some olive oil. Then we'll make dry seasoning, adding some salt, red chili flakes, sugar, paprika, oregano, and parsley. Add the red pepper, onion, green chilies, red chilies, lemon juice. Apply this mixture to chicken thighs and leave it for 30 minutes. I'm taking chicken thighs, you can prefer whatever you want, legs with bones or whatever, it's up to you. And I applied the dry seasoning and give it a good mix. Now the chicken is ready to go in the oven. I set up the heat 350 for 15 minutes and put it in the lower one. Flip it over when it's half done, and I just put it on the grill section to just show you guys. Follow my channel and subscribe and hit the bell button for more good recipes. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.